How to take photos from a video in your computer. So first you want to open up Microsoft Store, and then you want to search for VLC Media, and make sure to click on this first one right here, which is free, and then click on install. Now once it finishes downloading, you want to open up the start menu and search VLC Media Player, or simply click on it if you see it already, and this should open up the application. Now click on media and then click on open file, and simply open up the video that you want to take pictures from. So for example, this video right here. Then you want to move the cursor or the play button or the cursor of the timeline right here to where you want to take the picture from the video, like the specific time frame. And then you will need to go to the tools at the top right here and then click on preferences, and that should open up this preferences window. Now you want to go to the video tab, and at the bottom right here you should see video snapshots. You want to click on the browse button next to the directory and specify where you want to save the snapshots of the images taken from videos, as well as a prefix if you want to add a prefix to it, as well as the format. So you can choose between three formats: PNG, JPEG, and GIF. So I'm going to keep it as PNG and click on save. Now to take a picture or snapshot from the video, you want to go to the video tab right here, click on it, and then click on take snapshot at the bottom, and that should tell you that it took a snapshot of the video and saved it to the directory you chose. And as you can see, here is the picture taken from the video with the prefix on it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.